Alright people, it's getting real today. Your girls Muna and Luchi are going to be serving you a full wash day video. We bring you the whole 9 yards, my people. But before we continue, we'd love to ask you to help us move our ministry forward by subscribing to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, like, share, and comment on this video. There are 5 main steps that make up a full wash day session. Step 1, take down and detangling. Step 2, pre-poo. Step 3, shampoo. Step 4, conditioning. And step 5, moisturizing and styling. Today, we will take you through step 1 to step 4. Let's go. A snack and screen distraction are 2 essential aspects of a successful wash day session. So we're starting with step 1. Taking down the old style and detangling the hair as we go along. Right here, I'm taking down Muna's 2-week-old twist, using water from a spray bottle to moisten that particular twist, and then going ahead to take down the twist with my fingers. Note that I am not using any tool of any kind except my fingers to take down the hair. Using a comb, a toothpick, or a rat tail comb will cause unnecessary breakage to your child's hair, and you don't want that. The more you work with your fingers, the less chance your child's hair will fall off as a result of mechanical tension. As part of the detangling process, you want to use a wide tooth comb to comb through your child's hair after finger detangling. So to comb, you start with the ends before you get to the midsection, and then you comb the roots. That is the right sequence in combing your child's hair. So we're done with the first stage, which is takedown and detangling, and this is what her hair looks like. At the end of the day, we have several jumbo twists to work with for the next stage. And this is the amount of hair she shed from the detangling and takedown stage. On to step 2, which is the pre-poo step. Right here, I am whipping up my tried and tested pre-poo mix, mainly made up of olive oil and aloe vera juice. Doing a pre-poo before you shampoo your child's hair will prevent the shampoo from excessively stripping the hair of its natural oils. You don't want the shampoo to leave your child's hair feeling very, very rigid and too squeaky clean. So you want to, after shampooing your child's hair, you want it to still feel moist and silky to touch. To find out more how you can get this tried and tested amazing pre-poo mix, you can send us a direct message on Instagram at Muna and Luchi or at Shop Muna and Luchi, or you can just type in the comment section below and we will help you get it for yourself. I am applying the pre-poo mix on each of those jumbo twists we had from the detangling section, and I'm gonna let Muna sit with this mix on her hair for about 10 to 20 minutes before we begin to wash it. While Muna's hair was soaking in all the juicy goodness from the pre-poo mix, I decided to give her her trim for the year. Now, for those of us who have been looking for a trimming video, this is it, guys. It's nothing special. The important thing is to ensure that your child's hair is in twists. Right here, Muna's hair is in jumbo twists, but I would recommend medium twists. And then you use your shears to remove like the first inch from the ends of your child's hair. For me, I usually aim for those that part of the end where I can see through, that really looks weak and dry, and that is exactly what I'm doing for each of these jumbo twists, taking off those ends that look dry and weak. Then I follow up with a gentle scalp massage. This is great because it mobilizes the cells, improves blood circulation, stimulates the hair follicles, and generally encourages hair growth. We're going on to step 3 and 4, which are shampooing and conditioning. The first thing that I'm going to do here is to rinse out the pre-poo product that she had in her hair. Now that I'm done rinsing it out, it is now time to apply the shampoo. I am applying the shampoo and washing her hair with it. After shampooing, the next step is to condition her hair. Because we did an extensive pre-poo session, we're just going to use the deep conditioning treatment as you would a rinse out conditioner. So I'm applying the deep conditioning treatment, but she's not going to stay for a very long time, having the product in her hair. Say hi.
Hi, my name is Luna.
Scream.
I'm brushing my hair.
Yay. I basically bought some time by gisting with Muna and walking around in the kitchen while the conditioning treatment seeped into her hair strands for about 5 minutes before I began to rinse it out. So this is me rinsing out the conditioning treatment with cold water. After rinsing out the conditioning treatment, then you're ready to moisturize and style. Wow, that was a really long one, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Support us by subscribing. Remember, you can get your pre-poo product from our shop page at Shop Mona and Luchi. Just send us a direct message and we will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Are you happy your hair is washed?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, say thank you, mommy.
Thank you.
Right, you can come down.
So